Hello everyone. Now let's start our chapter 8 of history, devotional paths to the divine. Now move on topic. Basvanas and Virashaivism. Yes. So there is a connection between Tamil Nadu and Tamil Bhakti movement and the temple worship. Now the Virashaiva movement initiated by Basvana, the name of the saint, and his companion like Alamma Prabhu and Akabma Devi. Okay, so these persons initiated which movement? Vira Shaiva movement, and this movement began in which part of the state of our country? Karnataka in the mid 12th century. The Virashaiva urged strongly for the equality of all human beings, and they were against Brahmical ideas about which idea discriminate the people, divide the society on the basis of their caste, on the basis of their place of birth. And they also against the treatment, the women were ill treated in that society. So they were against that. They were also against all form of ritual and idol worship. Now our next topic is the sense of Maharashtra. From the 13th to the 17th century, the Maharashtra saw a great number of saint poets who sang in simple Marathi language, which can easily understood by the people. The most important saint among them, like Jaineshwar, underline everyone, Namadev, Eknath, and Tukaram. And women like Chokabai and the family of Chokamal. Chokamal is a family, untouchable family. Okay, belong to Mahar caste in Maharashtra. They served in big landlord farms. This regional tradition of bhakti followed focus on Vithala. Vithala means the idol of Lord Shiva. And which temple? The temple in Pandharpur, which is in near the Nasik, Pune. As well as the notion the personal God residing in the heart of the all people. Okay. This tradition centered around the Vithala temple. Vithala, as I told you, that is in Pandharpur. And it led the growth of new sect, new movement, that is Varkari sect, which emphasized on the annual pilgrimage to Pandharpur. The cult of Vithala became more popular and emerged as a powerful mode of devotion. The saint of Maharashtra came from the various backgrounds, as I told you, the Chokamal family who belonged to untouchable caste, and women saint were also the part of his tradition. Now, the saint rejected the all form of ritualism, yag vagera, and displayed the pity and social differences based on the and outward display, and they were against this, the division of society on the basis of their human birthplace. In fact, they also rejected the idea of renunciation. Renunciation means that prefer to that the people should live in their family, fulfill all their responsibility to living in their family, prefer to live. So they were against it, that they are earning like other person, any other person, while the humbly serving fellow human beings in need. New humanistic idea emerged as they insisted that the bhakti lay the sharing others pain. It's mean they were against that people should. It is not only that you can renunciation the word that when you live with your family. No, you should help other human being. They are emphasize and supporting that idea that help other, share other pains. As a very famous Gujarati saint Narsi Mehta, underline Gujarati saint Narsi Mehta, what he said there are Vaishnava who understand the pain of others. If you live in your family, so you can't feel the pain of other. If you move outside world, you can feel the pain of others. So that is if you want to devotion of God or express your idea of your devotion toward the God, so you should share the other pain and you should also do good deeds for the others. Now the next one is the Nathpanthis, Siddhas and Yogis. Yes. So the number of religious groups emerged during this period and criticize the ritual and other aspect of conventional religion and social order, using simple and logical argument that they divide the society on the basis of their profession, caste, or place of birth. So they were against this. They were those were against these. These were Nathpanthis, Siddhacharas, and Yogis. They advocated means they promoted renunciation of the word, which if you want to renunciation of the word to them to part the salvation lay meditation. You should sit in meditation position on the formless ultimate reality in realization of oneness with it. To achieve this, they advocate intense training of mind and body through yoga asanas. You do this practice. When you doing this kind of practice, when you do the breathing exercise and meditation, so you can reach the near to God. This group became popular among the low caste. Their criticism of conventional religion created the ground for devotional religion to become popular force in North India. They criticize the traditional religion. Conventional traditional religion believes that meditation has the path of salvation. Conventional means traditional, जो पहले से चलते आ रहे हैं. Fine. Now the next one is the Islam and Sufism. The religion of Islam was founded in Arabia in the 7th century. Fine. Islam means submission of God's will. Islam means submission of God's will. It followers are called Muslim. Those follow Islam, those known as Muslims. It is a founder. Its founder was Prophet Muhammad. The teaching of Islam are contained in the Quran. The Quran, sacred book of Islam, which also known as the holy book of Muslim. Muslim believe that there is only one God and the Muhammad is his prophet. They do not worship idol or image. Yes, they offer prayer or namaz 5 times in the day. During the holy month of Ramzan, they fast from dawn to dusk. सुबह से शाम तक रोजा and given alms to the poor. Alms मतलब दान देते हैं, donation देते हैं. Poor, an important principle of Islam. Muslims are also supposed to visit Makkah, where is Hajj, okay, and the birthplace of Prophet Muhammad at least once in his lifetime, and this pilgrimage is called Hajj, okay. now holy law of Islam known as Shariat. And the Sufis often rejected the elaborate ritual and code of behavior demanded by Muslim religious scholars. They sought union with God much as a lover seeks his beloved with this regard for the world. Now here, how they express their idea or their devotion feeling. Sent point of Sufism to compose poem expressing their feeling and rich literature in prose, including the anecdotes, fables developed around them, and among the great Sufis of Central, everyone underlined Central Asia was Ghazali, Rumi, and Sadi. Like the Nathpanthis, Siddhas, and Yogis, the Sufis too believe that the heart can be trained only to the practice the world in different ways. So they developed the elaborate method of training using zikr. Zikr means the chanting the name of sacred formula. The another method of offering worship. So they developed the elaborate method of training using zikr. Zikr chanting of name of sacred formula. हम भी we are also हम chant करते हैं ना mantra. Contemplation. Sama means singing. Rag means dancing, and discuss the parables, breathe control. वही योगी कहते हैं ना आपको breathing exercise करनी चाहिए. Under the guidance of master. Master means peer. So master means peer. And they also emerge the silas. Means what is the meaning of silsilas? The genealogy of Sufi teacher, each following slightly different method. Method means tarika of instruction and ritual practice. जो a one by one to one generation, it is moving one to one generation. Now, large number of Sufi saints where they settle in India in Central Asia and settle in Hindustan from the 11th century onward. The process of saint, the establishment of Delhi Sultan, when the Delhi Sultan established here. So the Sufis, many Sufi saints also established or settle in Delhi, and they many Sufi centers developed over the Indian subcontinent. Now the Chishti Silsila was among the most influential order. He had a long time of teacher like underline कीजिए ख्वाजा मोइनुद्दीन चिश्ती, the Dargah of ख्वाजा मोइनुद्दीन चिश्ती Ajmer, और कुतुबुद्दीन बख्तियार खाकी of Delhi, Baba Farid of Punjab, Khwaja Nizamuddin Aulia of Delhi, and Bandanawaz Gyazudaraz of Gulbarg. These are the name of the famous Sufi saints, and where they settle, उनकी दरगाह भी वही है. The Sufi master held their assembly, okay, in their khanqah or hospice. What is the meaning of khanqah? The rest house for traveler. That is okay, where the devotee of all the from different part of the subcontinent and the world, including the member of royal and nobility and ordinary people, they visit khanqah and they discuss on spiritual matter with the master, Sufi master, peace, and they also sought the blessing of saint in solving their worldly problem or simply attend the music and dance session over there. Often people attribute Sufi master with a miraculous power कि अगर वो हाथ फेर देंगे तो हमारा दर्द सही हो जाएगा, और उनके पास एक अजान शक्ति है जिससे वो लोग सही हो जाते हैं. That kind of the believe the people think about their master. Okay, because when they spread through their miraculous power, they could relieve their other to their illness and troubles, है ना, बीमारियां दूर कर देंगे. Now the tomb of Durga and the Sufi saint became place of pilgrimage to which thousands of people of all faiths pilgrimage. Like अजमेर शरीफ और निजामुद्दीन औलिया की जो दरगाह है वहां पर लोग जाते हैं एज अ तीर्थ मानते हैं उसको. ठीक है. Fine everyone.